Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. I'm with the Bigwig. Last time I had this out, it was squeaking up a storm. In the manual, Tamiya says to put 2 rubber O-rings in each of the front drive cups. And I think that was what was causing it. So I took one out, so I only got one in each side in the gearbox. So hopefully that'll work. Also, I put shock spacers on the front and on the back because the front was sagging. So let's go to the ball field and test this beauty out. All right, let's test her out, see if we could get her to squeak. Hope I fixed her. We'll find out. So far, so good. I don't hear no squeaking, guys. So that's good. Whoa. Whoa. So far, so good here, guys. Take her in the grass a little bit. I don't hear anything squeaking. Let's go over on this side, see what it's like down here. So far, so good. Before it was squeaking like crazy. If you look at my Bigwig video from last time, guys, it was real bad. Let's see what she does over here. It's windy out today. Woohoo! Woo! I'm starting to eat some dust here. I think I'm on the wrong side here. Not one squeak. Hey, let's check out that suspension. Last time it was binding. Let's see. Oh yeah, them spacers worked. What about the rear? I put some in the rear, yep. They get stuck down, but when you ride, they pull up, but that's better. I'm gonna push this down, see, and it goes up when you ride. So, it's windy as hell out today. I don't know, guys, I think the O-rings fixed it. Oh, we hit some kind of jump there. Yeah, the suspension went down and sucked back up. It's working, dudes. She's working like a charm. No more squeaking. Woohoo! Let's check that suspension. She's riding high in the front again and in the back. That's good. Very good. It's smoking hot out here. I'm gonna have fun cleaning this thing. Sure am. It's looking good, guys, looking good. No squeaks at all. Take them 2 O-rings out in the front they tell you to put in, guys, if you're building this kit. Only put 1. All right. Woo! Whew. All right, guys, it looks like Tamiya's manual, when they tell you to put the 2 O-rings in the front drive cups, it's too tight, it causes squeaks. This beauty didn't squeak at all now. You've seen it go. Works like a beauty. I just have to clean it up now. It's dirty as hell. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just gonna run it to the car and go all the way in the grass to get some of this dirt off.